Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best STEAM toys is probably one of the most captivating and educational categories of toys available today, offering a unique blend of historical charm and hands-on learning that sparks imagination and curiosity in children and adults alike. These intricate models, often replicas of classic machinery like trains, boats, and even early automobiles, provide a tangible connection to the ingenuity of the past, allowing enthusiasts to witness the principles of steam power in action through meticulously crafted, functional designs that are as engaging to build as they are to operate. Number 5. National Geographic Earth Science Kit. Discover over 100 exciting science experiments and activities designed for curious kids. This massive kit is packed with fun, hands-on projects that will spark a love for science. Dive into amazing experiments like growing your own crystals, building an erupting volcano, and creating dueling water tornadoes. It's a complete earth science adventure in a box. With enough activities for everyone, this kit is perfect for sharing with family, friends, or classmates. Experience the magic of scientific discovery together and learn as you play. Our detailed learning guide makes understanding the science behind each experiment easy and engaging. It helps children develop a deep appreciation for various earth sciences through clear explanations. Follow simple, step-by-step instructions that build confidence as young scientists explore. This allows them to fully enjoy the process of discovery without any hassle. We are committed to providing the highest quality educational toys. Our products are designed for fun and learning, backed by exceptional customer service to ensure your satisfaction. What we like. This kit offers a vast array of experiments, covering everything from crystal growing to erupting volcanoes. If you're looking for a comprehensive introduction to earth science with plenty of hands-on activities, this is an excellent choice for budding geologists and chemists. What people say. The product is very well made and durable. It has a lot of different features that keep kids entertained for hours. The design is very engaging and sparks creativity. Number 4. MAGNA-TILES Classic 32-piece Magnetic Construction Set. Introducing the MAGNA-TILES Classic 32-piece set, the original magnetic building brand. It's the most celebrated set in magnetic construction, featuring classic geometric shapes. This set includes 32 translucent geometric shapes in 6 vibrant colors. You'll find squares in 2 sizes and triangles of 3 different types. It's a certified STEAM toy designed to help develop essential skills. It aids in fine motor skills, cognitive development, creativity, and more. This is the perfect starter set for children aged 3 and up. It's a great gift to spark their imagination and creativity. Begin your building journey with this classic set. See where your child's imagination takes them next with endless possibilities. All pieces are designed to be compatible with every other MAGNA-TILES set. This means you can easily expand your collection and creations. Our pieces are built to last, with a signature lattice that prevents cracking. The magnets are safely secured to ensure durability and countless hours of playtime. What we like. As the original magnetic building brand, this set provides classic geometric shapes for endless creative construction. If you want a foundational set that's compatible with all other sets and fosters strong developmental skills, this is the perfect starter for young architects. What people say. The steam engine is a great way to learn about physics. The toy is well made and durable. It's a fun and educational toy for kids of all ages. Number 3. Klutz Lego Gearbot STEM Activity Kit. Unleash your creativity and build 8 incredible physics-driven creatures. You'll use Lego Technic bricks and papercraft to bring them to life. No need to search for parts. This kit includes every Lego element required for your builds, making the process seamless and fun. Discover the fascinating world of STEM with a 64-page book packed with information. Explore axles, cams, cranks, and how engineering powers everyday machines. Follow along with clear, step-by-step instructions to guide you through each build. It's designed for easy understanding and a rewarding building experience. Perfect for young minds aged 8 to 12, this kit offers hours of engaging and educational fun. It's a fantastic way to learn through play. Dive deeper into the principles of engineering as you construct your kinetic creatures. Understand how simple mechanisms work and apply that knowledge. What we like. This kit lets you build 8 unique physics-driven creatures using LEGO Technic bricks and papercraft. If you're a fan of LEGO and want to explore real-world engineering concepts like axles and cranks in a fun, hands-on way, this is the ideal STEM activity for you. What people say. The steam engine is a classic design and works beautifully. It's a great educational toy that demonstrates basic physics principles. The build quality is excellent, with durable metal parts. Number 2. Plugo Tunes by PlayShifu. Introducing Plugo Tunes, an interactive piano starter kit designed for young learners aged 4 to 10. It's the perfect way to introduce your child to the world of music. With the free Plugo app, children can learn over 50 songs, from simple rhymes to festive carols. Each song also features 3 different rhythms to explore. This educational toy helps develop essential skills like motor control, hand-eye coordination, and memory. It also nurtures musical intelligence and logical thinking. Plugo Tunes encourages creativity and imagination while fostering a love for music. It's a fun and engaging way for children to express themselves. Looking for a fun and educational gift? This musical toy is ideal for both boys and girls, making it a wonderful present for any occasion. It works seamlessly with most Android and iOS devices, including tablets and smartphones. Simply download the free Plugo app to get started. What we like. This interactive piano starter kit connects to an app to teach over 50 songs with accompanying rhythms. If you're looking for a fun and engaging way to introduce your child to music, develop their motor skills, and foster a love for melodies, this is a fantastic educational gift. What people say. The STEAM toys are very educational and engaging for children, promoting hands-on learning and scientific exploration. The design of the STEAM toys is intuitive and safe, with rounded edges and non-toxic materials, making them suitable for young children. The functionality of the STEAM toys allows children to experiment with basic physics principles, such as pressure and motion, in a fun and interactive way. Number 1. Diamond Magnetic Building Blocks Princess Castle. Let your child's creativity and imagination soar with this magnetic tile set. They can build and play with a prince, princess, and their very own castle. Crafted from safe, durable ABS plastic, these tiles include doors, windows, and stairs. Your child can build their own winter castle and kingdom with confidence. This set is compatible with other magnetic tile kits, making it perfect for expanding their building possibilities. It's great for play at home, on road trips, or at the park. Encourage STEAM learning and develop essential skills like fine motor control and problem solving. These tiles make learning fun through building, designing, and storytelling. Looking for the ideal birthday or Christmas gift? This set is perfect for children who love princess castles and magnetic building blocks, offering hours of educational fun. What we like. Designed with a sparkling princess castle theme, these diamond magnetic tiles encourage imaginative play and building. If you have a young child who loves princesses and wants to create their own magical kingdoms while developing spatial awareness and creativity, this set is a perfect fit. What people say. The steam engine is a fantastic educational toy that demonstrates the principles of thermodynamics in a hands-on way. The build quality is excellent, with durable metal components that are designed to last. It's a great way to introduce children to basic engineering concepts and the power of steam. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.